Hi there, it's Terri Levine from Heartrepreneur.com. I'm going to do a very brief training here, and I actually recommend that you go grab a pen, piece of paper, open a Word doc, something to take notes. And I'm really coming here today to provide you tremendous value. Why? I think there's too many things that people are teaching coaches, consultants, speakers, trainers, authors that are really, really complicated. And if you're looking to scale your business, if you're a coach, a consultant, a therapist, speaker, trainer, author, any of those things, what I do is I actually help you scale your business. You work a lot less, you make a lot more money. That's all that I actually focus on. And I've been doing that, oh my gosh, I'm looking at my year here. I've been doing that for almost 24 years. And so far I've done it with over 5,000 clients. So let me just say that if you are someone who's already, super profitable, or you're happy not making all that much money, I'm probably not the right person for you to follow. What I do is I help people do exactly what I do. I earn an average of $3 million a year, working about 20 hours a week, doing what I love, loving what I do, and making a very, very big impact on my client family members. I have the ability, and I've had 8 different businesses, to create multi-million-dollar businesses by following the methods that I teach. So whether you're a relationship coach, a sales coach, a business coach, if you're any kind of a consultant, if you're a fitness trainer, if you're an advisor, a personal trainer, if you're a healer, whatever, as long as you are in a service industry, my principles work, and they actually work all the time. So what I teach people to do is literally not only how to work a lot less, but truly how to serve clients at an even deeper level. And that's what I am all about. Now, if you're a therapist, if you're an advisor, a coach, or consultant, or even if you're an online marketer, maybe you have some courses that you've put together, I have to tell you that following a lot of the methods that people are teaching today, you're probably not going to be making a lot of money. You're probably going to have a lot of business mistakes. Why? Because I see what people are teaching. And what I teach is revolutionary in the way that you actually grow your business. So over the next few days, I'm going to be teaching you every single thing about growing your coaching and consulting business. Again, whether you're an advisor, whether you're a therapist, any service business. So tune in here on this page every single day, because over the course of the next few days, I am actually revealing my formula. If you feel already, hey, I might want to find out more, you can apply for one of the limited consults that we do to solve your problem in the moment at drterrytime.com. See you soon.